Brother, is my eye red?
Yes, now. What happened? Stop crying and talk well now.
But as I was coming, one uncle slapped me because I refused to give him my number.
Wait, I don't understand. Slapped you because he's your father or what? Because of phone number?
He also slapped my bumper and he slapped my...
See, anybody that knows where they sell coffee should go and buy coffee for this guy because he's going to join the dead today. Did you tell him who I am?
Who are you?
The firstborn now.
Okay. He even went as far as saying I should go and call anybody that you deal with that person.
God, someone is dead today. Let's go.
Hold up.
Wait, Ruth.
Who is that, brother?
Ruth.
70 years old man.
This one you're calling me brother and calling him uncle. Is that something you need to tell me?
Something like what, brother?
You know those Nigeria comedies that we used to watch? That when we now go there, you will not be a big person. Hello. A very big person for that matter. And then you end up beating the two of us together.
Brother, nah. No. Brother is bigger than him.
Are you sure of what you're saying? Look at it. Let the clothes not deceive you. Are you seeing it?
Brother is bigger than him.
No problem. But you're very sure.
Brother is bigger than him. Times 2.
Very good. Everybody come out. They've touched the lion's tail. Continue. See, today I will use someone as a scapegoat in this compound so that when they see my sister, they will run away. You know what? Are you with your phone? Record this moment so that people will see what I do to people that look at my sister's trouble. Let's go. Come and show me that idiot.
I want trouble.
No. I don't take that rubbish. What nonsense? Somebody will beat you, my own sister. In this place. No. It can never happen in my watch. No. Who is that person?
But I see him there. See him there.
That guy there. Did you record that?
I'm not recording, but it's not the one now. It's not the one. Look at him behind you.
This man.
Look at your bag.
Look at my face. Jesus.
Hey! Ruth! What did he tell me?
When?
Hey! What is when? I don't know that I said that woman is far bigger than you.
Brother, you are far bigger than him. You also slap me in my eye. But I can see you are far bigger than him. Times 2 self, eh?
Can you see now?
Brother, there's Goliath behind you.
Yes, you put into David into trouble now. Now, this trouble you put us into, what have you gained?
You are a mumu man.
Let me tell you something. Alright. Let me tell you something.
Jesus. Ruth has killed me. Good afternoon, sir.
Photo.
That's everything. Sir, see, in our family we are givers. I don't know why this girl cannot give you her number. But sir, I'm sorry. Ruth! Why can't you give him your number? Eh? Come and give uncle your number. I've told you, don't be fighting somebody. Vengeance is of the Lord. Sir, even if you want my grandmother's number, I can give you. She's still alive. Okay. Have a good day, sir.
Don't run!
Lord of Jesus!
Brother, show him.
What are you doing now?
Brother, show him.
Stop.
Now they never leave.
Stop now.
They have left you.
Do you also want my number? Or a house number? Ruth! Come and give you a house number.
I hope you enjoyed that Vomit video. Please subscribe. Thank you. We love you. Bye.